Okay, I'm very used to that. They they ran me out of data or out of space on the phone for me to record and show you guys this information. So this is upon booting this device right after a factory reset. Okay, we're gonna go data, and then this is the data that's on this device already. Com.Android, okay, maps, apps, vending. I always see that one, and then Android apps, YouTube Music, GSM, okay, and then this quick search, and then com.Android videos, Android YouTube, and then no media. I've looked in all of these, of course, and they're showing empty now, but then I'm just going to go one more time. I'm going to show you Android, and I'm going to show OBB or whatever. This just says no media. Generally, it will say Katana and then Orca under that after Facebook does whatever it does. But shows like a Orca. I mean, we could look under one of these just for giggles for you. Well, maybe even ringtones. No. But anyway, these are the files that are in my device upon booting after a factory reset. Thank you.